In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect cells. If you are sharing a spreadsheet and want to make sure key data doesn't get changed accidentally, protecting specific cells is the simplest and most reliable solution. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips to keep everything clear and secure. Start by selecting the cells or range you want to protect. Click and drag to highlight a block of cells. Or click a single cell if that's all you need. If you are protecting a larger range, it helps to double-check that your selection includes headers or totals exactly as intended. Remember, you can always adjust the selection later. But getting it right now will save time. Next, open the protection options. You have two quick ways to get there. You can right-click your selection, choose View More Cell Actions, and then select Protect Range. Or, use the menu at the top and go to Data. Then choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. Either option opens the Protect Sheets and Ranges panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see your selected range listed there, and you can give it a clear description so you know what it covers at a glance. Now, set who can make changes. Click Set Permissions, then choose Restrict who can edit this range. This lets you limit editing to specific people you trust. Select the users who should have access, making sure you include yourself if needed. If you are collaborating with a team, this is a great moment to confirm who truly needs edit rights and who should remain view only to prevent accidental edits. When you are ready, apply your choices. Finally, click Done. That's it, the protection is now active. Anyone without permission will be blocked from editing those cells and may see a message letting them know the range is protected. Your authorized editors can still make changes normally, while everyone else can view the data safely without risking unintended updates. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If something doesn't seem to stick, revisit the Protect Sheets and Ranges panel to confirm the exact range and permissions. It's also helpful to name protected ranges clearly, like quarterly totals or do not edit, so they're easy to identify later. And if your workflow changes, you can return to the same panel to adjust or remove protection at any time. That's the full process for protecting cells. Keep your important data accurate, your formulas safe, and your team aligned. Thanks for watching.